Have you ever dreamed of flying like a bird? Soaring through the sky, diving down buildings and flipping through the air? That's what FPV drone flying is all about. It's not just about getting cool video shots from above, it's about the thrill of flight, the feeling of freedom, and the challenge of mastering your machine. When you put on the FPV goggles, you are no longer standing on the ground. You are in the cockpit of a super fast, super agile quadcopter. The world looks completely different from this perspective, and the possibilities for adventure are endless. It's a feeling that's hard to describe, but once you experience it, you'll be hooked for life. FPV, which stands for first-person view, puts you right in the driver's seat. You see exactly what the drone's camera sees, live and in real time. This connection is what makes incredible acrobatics possible. We call these moves freestyle or acro flying. It's like skateboarding or snowboarding, but in three-dimensional space. You can create your own lines, invent your own tricks, and express your own unique style. The goal is to make your flight look smooth, graceful, and totally mind-blowing. It's a dance between you and your drone, a creative outlet that pushes the limits of what you thought was possible with a flying machine. The journey into FPV tricks is one of the most exciting parts of this hobby. You start with simple things, like learning to hover and fly in straight lines, but soon you get the itch to try something more. You want to feel the G-force of a tight turn and the weightlessness of a perfect dive. That's when you enter the amazing world of flips, rolls, and spins. Each new trick you learn opens up a new dimension of flying. It's a constant learning process, but every small victory feels like a huge achievement. The community is also amazing, with pilots always sharing tips and encouraging each other to get better. This essay is your guide to some of the coolest tricks out there. We're going to break down some advanced maneuvers that will make your friends' jaws drop. But remember, every pro pilot started as a beginner. We all crashed, we all got frustrated, but we all kept practicing. I'll explain how these tricks work in simple terms, give you some crucial safety tips to keep you and your drone in one piece, and share the secret ingredient to becoming a great pilot: patience. So, charge up your batteries, grab your controller, and let's get ready to push the boundaries of flight together. It's going to be an awesome ride. Let's start with a classic, the power loop. Imagine you are flying fast and low towards a big tree or a tall building. Instead of flying around it, you pull up into a giant vertical loop, flying right over the top of the object. At the peak of the loop, you are upside down, looking back at the ground before you dive back down and continue on your way. It's a beautiful flowing maneuver that feels absolutely incredible to pull off. The key is managing your throttle. You need to punch the throttle to go up, cut it at the top of the loop to float for a second, and then add power again as you come down. Next up is the inverted yaw spin. This one looks super technical and confusing, but it's so much fun. For this trick, you fly your drone upside down, so you are in an inverted state. Then, while flying forward, you spin the drone around its vertical axis like a spinning top using the yaw control. The world in your goggles becomes a swirling vortex of color and motion. It's a disorienting but thrilling feeling. To master this, you need to be very comfortable flying inverted first. You have to think backward as your controls are reversed. It takes practice, but it's a surefire way to add some serious style to your flights. Now for a real crowd pleaser, the Matty Flip. This trick was made famous by the legendary pilot Matty Stunts. It combines a reverse dive with a flip. You start by flying forward, then you make the drone fly backward while still facing forward, kind of like reversing a car. Then, as you are falling backward, you do a full flip, catching the drone at the bottom and flying away smoothly. It looks impossible, like you are defying gravity. The trick is to get the timing just right between your pitch and roll inputs. It's a complex move that requires a lot of control, but when you nail it, you feel like a true FPV superhero. One more for the road is the Rubik's Cube. This is a very advanced trick where you make the drone tumble end over end in multiple directions while staying in one spot. It looks like the drone is glitching in the air, a chaotic yet controlled series of flips and rolls. From the pilot's view, it's a wild ride as the world tumbles around you. To do this, you need to be an expert with your stick controls, making tiny, precise movements to keep the drone from flying away. It's the kind of trick that shows you have complete mastery over your quadcopter, turning a chaotic tumble into a piece of aerial art. Before you try any of these amazing tricks, we need to talk about the most important thing: safety. Flying FPV drones is incredibly fun, but it can also be dangerous if you are not careful. The first rule is to always fly in a safe and open area. Look for a big empty field, an abandoned industrial park, or a bando, which is an abandoned building where there are no people, cars, or animals around. You need a lot of space to practice, especially when you are learning new tricks. Crashing is a part of learning, and you want to make sure you only damage your drone, not someone else's property, or worse, hurt someone. Your equipment is also key to staying safe. Always do a pre-flight check before you take off. Make sure your propellers are on tight and are not damaged. Check that your battery is securely strapped in. A loose battery can cause a crash mid-trick. Most importantly, set up your fail-safe correctly on your drone. A fail-safe is a feature that automatically shuts off the drone's motors if it loses the signal from your controller. This prevents your drone from flying away uncontrollably, which we call a flyaway. A runaway drone is dangerous and can be lost forever, so take the time to learn how fail-safes work. Another great way to practice safely is by using a simulator. An FPV simulator is a computer program that lets you fly a virtual drone using your actual controller. It's like a video game, but it has realistic physics that mimic how a real drone flies. You can crash 1,000 times in a simulator without breaking a single propeller or losing any money. This is the perfect place to build muscle memory for new tricks. You can try that matty flip over and over again until the movements feel natural. Spending hours in a simulator will make you a much better and safer pilot in the real world. Finally, always fly with the spotter if you can. A spotter is a friend who watches the drone in the sky with their own eyes while you are wearing your FPV goggles. They can warn you about things you can't see, like a person walking their dog into your flight area or a low-flying airplane. They can also help you find your drone if you crash. Flying with friends is not only safer, but it's also way more fun. You can learn from each other, challenge each other, and share the excitement of this awesome hobby. Remember, safety first, so you can keep flying for years to come. Nobody becomes a pro FPV pilot overnight. Every amazing video you see online is the result of hundreds, if not thousands, of hours of practice. When you first start, just hovering in place will feel difficult. But with every battery pack you fly, your fingers will learn the tiny movements needed to control the drone. This is called muscle memory. Just like learning to ride a bike or play a guitar, your body learns to do it without you having to think about it. The key is to be consistent. Try to fly a few times every week, even if it's just for 15 minutes in a simulator. That regular practice is what builds a strong foundation. Patience is your best friend in this hobby. You are going to crash a lot. It's just a part of the process. Sometimes you will break propellers, other times you might break an arm on your drone or burn out a motor. It can be frustrating, especially when you have to wait for new parts to arrive. But it's important not to get discouraged. Every crash is a learning opportunity. Why did you crash? Did you come in too fast? Did you misjudge the gap? Analyzing your mistakes will help you get better. Learn how to repair your drone too. It's a valuable skill that will save you time and money. Don't be afraid to start small and build your way up. Before you try a power loop over a huge building, practice doing smaller loops high up in the air where there's nothing to hit. Before you try an inverted yaw spin through a tiny gap, just practice flying upside down in a straight line. Break down each trick into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate the small victories along the way. The first time you successfully complete a flip or a roll is a huge moment. Those small successes will build your confidence and motivate you to keep pushing yourself to learn the next thing. Ultimately, the goal of FPV is to have fun. Don't compare your progress to others too much. Everyone learns at their own pace. The FPV community is full of amazing pilots, but we all share the same passion for flight. So get out there, fly as much as you can, and enjoy the journey. The feeling of nailing a trick you've been practicing for weeks is unbeatable. It's a rush of adrenaline and a deep sense of accomplishment. Keep practicing, stay patient, fly safe, and soon you'll be the one in the sky, pulling off mind-blowing tricks and inspiring the next generation of pilots.